Coming up on the news at 4, 1 week from today, a massive construction project starts on I-10. We've got 7 days to plan so you're not banging your head on the steering wheel. Right now, crews are in phase 1, building new elevated lanes over Studemont and prepping for a massive traffic switch. Houston is getting a new $65 million swift water rescue training facility called Storm Ranch, which is designed to prepare first responders for urban flooding and swift water incidents. And a spooktacular day for us this Halloween with temperatures in the mid-70s, plenty of sunshine. Storms are set to return tomorrow, followed by another cool down.